you the timeline of science and technology invention in the Philippines. There's a lot, but according to our research, we got the top 10 to the most known invention in continuing in practice. The first one is Baybayin writing system. It is an ancient pre-colonial Filipino script used before Spanish colonization. During 16th century, Baybayin is significant cultural heritage representing early Filipino literacy. The second one is Yoyo. It is originated as a hunting weapon used by ancient Filipinos. It is during pre-colonial times. The Yoyo is one of the oldest Filipino toys and weapons which later become widely popular globally. The third is Jeepney. Jeepney evolved in the immediate post-World War II period in the Philippines. Around the late 1940s, jeepney became the most common and iconic form of public transportation in the Philippines. The fourth one is fluorescent lamp by Agapito Flores, around 1940s. Fluorescent lamp is an energy-efficient lighting technology. The fifth is medical incubator by Dr. F. Del Mundo, a Filipina pediatrician. It is around 1941. Incubator was made of bamboo and designed to be inexpensive and usable by families in rural areas without electricity.
Erythromycin, an antibiotic used to treat bacterial infections. It was discovered by Dr. Bilardo Aguilar in 1949. Erythromycin is a crucial alternative to penicillin, widely used for respiratory and skin infections. Next comes the video phone, a telephone that transmits video and audio. It was invented by Gregorio Y. Zara in 1955. This contributed to the development of modern video telecommunications. After that comes the isolated rice breeds. It is an improved rice varieties with higher yield and better characteristics. It was developed by Dr. Rodolfo Aquino in 1966. It improved rice production and food security in the Philippines. Before long, the computer chip is invented, a small circuit containing many electrical components. It was invented by Diosdado Banatao in 1972. This leads to improved computer processing speeds and graphics capabilities. Afterwards comes the karaoke. It is a device for singing along to recorded music. It was patented by Roberto del Rosario in 1975. Later on, karaoke became popular as a global form of entertainment. That's all, and thank you for listening.